Hello, I'm Samer Atta. This is my code translator agent. As you can see, these are the 4 files that are consisting the evaluation setup and the 3 agents participating based on the tutorial repository by AgentBeats. And from the README file, you can find the setup of the model and how to install and clone and run everything. Running the scenario it goes with this command, and I have prepared one from previously. So from this window, can see that the agent here will be asking the two competing agents to generate a translation for the code presented by the judge. And based on that, they will generate translations for 3 times, which is a parameter that can be set for every evaluation round. And then it will be evaluated, and these are the scores based on the customized metrics that are set for this evaluation agent. And of course, the total score is set for the developer agent, for the researcher agent to take the best score. Thank you so much. This is my participation in the AgentBeats AgentX competition for the first round.